Hi there, my name is Sam Savage and my company is called South Coast Events. We do event planning for private and corporate clients. We are based in Bournemouth, in Dorset on the South Coast. One of the major problems that we have in this area is that if clients want themed events, getting hold of props and things like that can be tricky if budget is a little bit of an issue. A lot of the prop companies are based in London or further afield, so the actual prop hire itself might not necessarily be that expensive, but it's the getting it here and constructing it and things like that which really adds to the cost. We had 10 centerpieces and they came in two small boxes, to the point that when they arrived I thought that there was something missing, but they constructed so easily. So storage wise, it's incredible. It doesn't take up a huge amount of space. And just, yeah, the availability and the turnaround was amazing. So I am very much looking forward to seeing what else we can do with 3D printing and Mike's help on that.